What's going on, guys? How's it going? Welcome back to the channel. So on my last vlog I did tell you guys that I did mount the tires, but they were leaking because the seals were still like wet, so I didn't wait long enough. So I recently got them sealed last Monday, which is like 5 days ago, 6 days ago. And I got my tires mounted yesterday from Best Tire Shop. Shout out to them for getting my tires on. Even the rip beads on the 2 tires I told you guys about, they did seal up, but I think it leaks a little. But yeah, shout out to them for trying it to see if they even hold up, but they did, and there were no bubbles when we put the soap and water on it. And yeah, so I'm gonna show you the wheels. Here are the wheels of the tires. This is the marking where the bead was ripped, but I put them all at 55 PSI in the front. That's kind of high, even when I'm rolling, but look at that fitment. Fuck. But yeah, it's pretty gnarly. I was rubbing on the fender, but I took off my 2mm spacer, so it stopped rubbing on the fender, and then for some reason it's not rubbing on the coil anymore. Well, because I did take out a little bit of the camber, just a tad, but I don't know, I need to get alignment soon, so I have to head to 714. So the specs on these are, the rears are 18 by 11 plus 6, and the fronts are 18 by 10 plus 6. But they fit perfect, almost like the T7Rs, like I said, multiple times. But yeah, I'll show you the rear. I was gonna shoot today, but it is raining and I just didn't want to get wet and stuff. And I got off work late, so there wasn't much light. But here's how the fitment is. It looks so much better. I personally don't like the 11s because they are too wide, and right when you pass that 10.5, like the width, I feel like everything goes bad. But I'm gonna check the PSI right now, just to make sure it's like holding up well. So the rears I did put like 55 too, just maybe a little over. But let me see. Yeah, it's still 55, a little bit over 55. So that looks good. And let me check the fronts. And they're like 50. So they leak a little, but that's what you get for 3-piece wheels. Here's the right side. Pretty gnar, bro. I'm honestly like really happy how this car turned out, and the only thing is that bothers me is my fenders are all fucked up now. The buckled fender is like destroyed now. It's bacon as hell, and like, so there's this corner right here that it just pokes out when I turn, so I just rub on the lip like crazy. But yeah, I might get a new fender. I don't know what kind of fender, probably OEM again, but as of right now, OEM or like the Vertex looking one. I don't know right now. But yeah, the wheels, you guys were asking how they look, and they look fucking awesome, honestly. I really love these specs and these wheels. They're super nice and they fit the car really well. The next thing I'm gonna get on this car is probably headlights and fog lights. Maybe not the fog lights, but the headlights for sure. I did have headlights before, the black housing ones on my other car, but I don't know, I just never got around to getting them. But I'll probably get them soon after my alignment. So today I'm just gonna probably just pull out the cars and then fix that right fender. And honestly, the fender's already fucked, so I might just fucking pipe that bitch down, you know, and without a heat gun, because the fender's fucked. I mean, it's destroyed. this is how she looks on the right side. It looks like I'm tucking super hard on this right fender, but it's just because the right fender is buckled as hell. Yeah, this is how it's supposed to actually look like. Here, I'll let you see. That's the fitment right now. But if you look over here, looks like I'm tucking super hard, but the fender's so fucked. Yeah, see how right here that fender is super close? I still drive like that, but if you look, the lip is pretty messed up. Not really, actually. It's just like grinded down a little. Yeah, so I gotta pull this shit out somehow. I'm probably gonna get a rag and a pipe or something. I don't know, or a screwdriver. I don't know. We'll see right now. Tool number 1. I know you guys are gonna call me a dumbass, but yeah, fuck the fender because it's already destroyed. Get a rag so it doesn't scratch the lip. And here we go. Sketch. Fuck. Oh shit! I think I just made it sharper. I think I just fucked up again. Rip. If you guys can see that. I'm gonna have to jack it up. Fuck you. Number 2. Here we go. Wrap this up. Oh shit! Yep, jack it up. So I just jacked it up, and probably gonna shove this bitch. But that little tool thing kind of worked, but now I'm gonna try to make it flat, so it's not as sharp on the edges, so it don't like rip my tire or something. So, tool number 2. Wait, 3. Alright, this is not working out. Don't do this at home, fam. Gang shit. Rock solid. So I got most of it out, so it's pretty good now. Well, not the fender, but don't mind that. I might sharpen this up. See how it is. Fitment on fleek. Fucked up tire. I think it's a book clearance now, or a magazine clearance. Hell yeah, it is. But yeah, fuck that fender, right? I'm getting a new fender, that's for sure. But fuck, I just hope fucking the shop could paint match my black, because I love this paint so much, man. Fuck, man. You don't have an extension cord, so you just hope for the best. It is touching though. I just painted right there. You can't even tell anymore. That's tight. Shout out to the recycled spray paint I had. Man, this is ghetto as fuck. Well, it'll work until I get a new fender. Maybe I should wiggle a little. Minutes doing that. It looks good. Can't even tell. Well, yeah, you can from like right here. That's right there. So it's basically this little hole right here, and then there's like another hole right here. So 2 big ass holes. But the fitment is good now. That's kind of dangerous because it's sharp, but fuck them. Hopefully I don't rub right there anymore. That fitment though, fam. Oh fuck, that fender too. These wheels give me a headache. I'll show you guys the fitment on the side too. Yeah, just like a card. New tires all around. 2 front ones are slashed, but they're holding air for now. Oh yeah. Damn, that shit is so loud. Yeah, we get it, you babe. Holy shit. Fucking looking pretty though. That'll be the end of the video, guys. Thanks for watching, and I hope you guys like the wheels, and I'm probably gonna make a new video, probably a shoot on my car soon when it's not raining and when the day is like way nicer, and because I want you guys to see the car during the day and not in my garage when it's raining and dark and musty and crusty and dusty. I think I said that. But anyways, guys, don't forget to like and subscribe, and I'm probably gonna go take a shit.